Russia, that is a very big power of the world, has made a very, very bold diplomatic move. And in a bold diplomatic move with global implications, Russia has officially recognized the Taliban led government of Afghanistan, becoming the first country in the world to formally do so. This is a big move by Russia, and the announcement was made during a high level meeting between the Russian ambassador Dmitry Zhirnov and Afghanistan's acting foreign minister Maulvi Amir Muttaqi Khan in Kabul. A picture of the moment was also shared by the Afghan Ministry of Foreign Affairs along with a statement hailing it as a historic step, and the statement further added that this is the beginning of a new chapter of mutual respect and cooperation, added the Afghan officials in the statement released by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Afghanistan. The Taliban flag has now been raised at the Afghan embassy in Moscow, marking a significant shift in how Russia views the current Afghan administration, not just as a de facto authority, but now actually as a de jure legitimate government of Afghanistan that represents the will of its own people. Adding to the occasion, Ambassador Zhirnov, who's Russia's ambassador to Afghanistan, said that Russia's decision would pave the way for stronger diplomatic and economic ties and help bring stability to a country that has remained diplomatically isolated since the United States withdrew from the country in 2021. Ladies and gentlemen, this recognition is not just symbolic. It could unlock pathways for investment, reconstruction, aid, and regional integration, especially as Afghanistan holds a central position in emerging trade corridors connecting Russia, Central Asia, and South Asia. And this can also bring a lot of stability to Afghanistan, and Afghanistan's stability is tantamount to the region. So while most of the international community has maintained a policy of non-recognition due to concerns over human rights, women's rights, and political inclusivity, Russia's move breaks that consensus. It is not just a diplomatic headline, but it's a potential turning point in Afghanistan's return to global fold, and it actually signals Moscow's growing influence in shaping the post-Western geopolitics in the region. After Russia's recognition of Afghanistan, this gives an opportunity to Afghanistan to actually come at par with the world, and Pakistan has also maintained the policy that a stable Afghanistan is very important to Pakistan as well as the region.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।